YouTube, what's up with y'all? What's on with y'all? Today we about to go to the shop. I got a station. Y'all, I wish I had my little vlogging thing. It's like a little vlogging stick that the YouTubers be having. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all how to put up a station, and then we about to go over like my starting lineup and you know, all my tools that I'm using. Alright YouTube, so far this is the shop right here for real. It's not a shop, you know, just a little room I cut in for real. This the station we about to set up. Pretty nice station. I chose the toolbox station. I done had a lot of stations in my little crib. We got the little TV, we gotta get it to work. Little fan D-Rose, favorite player. And we got all those supplies right here. I'm gonna give y'all a little glance. A little glance. I don't show too much. So yeah, first thing we about to do, I ain't got no knife or nothing. I ain't got no knife, no nothing. We about to go get a knife real quick. Alright, so instead of a knife, let me turn this over real quick. Sat down for I'll turn it on. So I'm gonna do is get a some scissors instead of a knife. Take this off real quick. Y'all look, I had got this to attach to it. This is like $24 by itself. This is just like a little armrest on the side for, I don't know if y'all can see it. And you just attach it to the side. I got this little paper to go inside with draw line. Then I got this magnetic outlet plug type thing. The reason why I chose to go to this, I feel like it's better. I didn't get like one of them super big ones because it's really, they cost a lot of money, and I feel like it's really just unnecessary. I don't really need all that right now. My stage is where I'm at. So yeah, I had just got this. I had got it for Black Friday sale. Got it for not Tractor, I'm tripping. Harbor Freight. Got it for Harbor Freight. These go for like $300 something, I think. $350 or like $400 something at most. And it was $219 on Black Friday. And I chose over like the 2-year span of being a barber for real. I had like a little wooden station. I got this little table right here. That's a regular table that you have like at a cookout or something like that. But and then I had like one of those stations that you order from like one of them 4 stations that lay straight about this height. You got like a little key knob or a little lock on it. This is heavy. For you have like a little key, they had like a little key lock on it, and then they had like a long thing, a long sectional divided shelves on it. Those stations too small. If you have like a 245 minute or something like that, those stations are too small. They're on Amazon. They're like $100 something, $200 by itself. Oh man, I already know this is gonna take a while, but I'm excited to have a new station. I really need one. Everything just been happening for me. New station. Getting the shop together, I painted all the walls in here. Got the waiting station right here. It's a little small room. It's basically like a suite. It's a suite for I have no idea where we left off at. The camera died. We took everything out. Well, the camera storage was too much. We took everything out. Now we're looking for the instructions. I don't think it came with instructions, but we're about to see. Okay, we got some tools in here, guys. Got some tools in here. Maybe a leg. No idea what this is. Oh, these are things that go right here. All that stuff right here. So you want to use it? Y'all not no handyman, y'all watch this. I'm gonna get y'all straight, I'm gonna get y'all right. Is a man supposed to know how to do these things? who's on to cut grass, put things together. If you don't know these things, I don't know what to say. Got the big drawer up top, the little drawers. Pretty nice. They already had patent in there. If I would have known that, I would have bought that other stuff. Alright, so y'all, we managed to get the wheels and everything on the bottom. Now we about to work on the little stand to make some elevation on there. Got my own toolbox. You need a toolbox. You're a grown man, you need a toolbox. And if it looks like I'm cockeyed, I'm looking at the little camera on the side and not the lens. I might just start pushing videos like crazy. My new goal is just 700. It's just 700 before the end of the year for subscribers. Since I'm at 6 something, and maybe I need to set the bar a little bit higher. Maybe I'm cheating myself. Maybe I need to go a little bit higher. 750? Can we do 750 before the end of the year? In my mind right now I'm thinking like, dang, that's impossible. I know anything is possible. So it took me about 3 hours to set everything up, put everything together, believe it or not. This don't come with the station, but this is like a magnetic little plug that you attach to the side. This over here, this doesn't come with the station. I just set this up. Alright. My bad, I got all these holes in here. I bought me some more sheets for us, so I might just put one of them on there, but my mat about to cover it up, my 1045 mat. But yeah, it took about 3 hours, but it's done. It look nice. We about to put everything on it, then I'm about to show you what it look like then. YouTube, so this is what we got right here. This is my little, got a little board. I don't know what I'm about to use that for. TV up. We about to put some blinds up right there. And here go the station. I wound up putting it together. Pretty nice station. It's all my tools right here. My starting lineup. These the low pros. And then I like these scenes right here. Each one of them, this one got a fade blade. This one got a taper blade. This one got a fade blade. But I like these the most. These too sharp. All these are okay. I got these are regular Bablers, but these got the Gorda FX blade on them. And this really it. This is my compressor. If any of y'all wanted to know. Gotta clean it out. They got little drawers for that. You gotta pull it to the left or the right side. Keep all my stuff in here. Got the brushes and combs right there. I ain't got none of this. Oh, I got my shears. I need some new shears. Cause the ones I got suck. Got some gloves. Got my pin-ups when I need to pin the hair up. Got some pomade. This is the enhancements drawer. I can't let y'all see too much. Can't let y'all see too much today. Cause we're gonna get into we're gonna make a whole video for enhancements. Got my blow dryer, got a JRL blow dryer. I went into the event in Texas